Saturday.
Chicken, cheese, pepper.
Okay. Y'all, this is our food. We're going to say our prayer, y'all, before Chance devour this food. But today we have a special guest. It is Chance. I put him in this video, y'all, because he don't let me be great. So I said I might as well do a video with my baby. Because he going to eat either way you look at it. He's going to eat. Stop. It's hot. Y'all, let's say our grace so we can eat. He can eat, y'all.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Shasha's World. In today's video, you guys, we will be eating some chicken, cheese, and pepper. Chicken and cheese and peppers. Like a taco. So we about to get it in, y'all, because I'm hungry. Chance is hungry. Chance is eating with us today. So y'all say hey to my baby, because I can't be great without him. We just have two, y'all. This is our breakfast. So I have two of the quesadilla wraps. Well, two wraps. So we're going to say our grace and we're going to eat. I need something to drink. Bring me a bottle of water. Bag your head, boo. Amen. So Trey cooked this for breakfast, y'all. I guess he was in the mood for some quesadilla. I mean some chicken wraps. So that's why. But this is what it looks like. And it has peppers and stuff in it. Wanna taste it? When I tell y'all this baby is greedy, girl. Greedy. And I didn't put him on the shirt, y'all, because he's gonna get messy anyway, so there's no need to put him on the shirt. So good. My eyes is burning from the onions. But it's in the morning, y'all. I guess Trey wanted this for breakfast. So that's what we eating. My eyes is burning so doggone bad. Woo! It's just getting to me, y'all. Mommy ass burning. Ooh. I don't think I'm crying, y'all. We didn't even take a thumbnail. You want to take a thumbnail?
Okay.
I need a paper towel and a bottle of water. Y'all, I don't know what got his man over there, but he's looking. He gonna look this way when he wants some more food. Say hey, Chancey. Say hey. Yes. So today, y'all, we have that good H2O. Ooh. So we have some good old water, y'all. I had to take the cap off because y'all know, I mean the top off because y'all know how people be about the wrappings. Ooh. Y'all, my stomach is growling. You want some more poop? Like, my baby can eat, y'all. My baby can eat. But, I mean, I'm not even surprised. Because his daddy can eat. So, that's where he got it from. I don't know about all these fingers in my food. But, yeah. It's so good, y'all. So good. I know it's really y'all. From me playing with that onion. But this video ain't gonna be long at all. After we eat, we bouncing, okay? The chance ain't gonna last too much longer. So, So most of y'all don't know, but this is my baby, Chance. This is my boy. I had a boy, and I was like, that's it. So yeah, this is my boy. He's 5 months. He'll be 6 months on Christmas Day. So yeah, my baby's getting older, y'all. It seems like I just had him like yesterday. But yeah, my baby will be 6 months on Christmas Day. Y'all are seeing this after Christmas. So he's already 6 months. Because I pre-record my videos. So y'all will see this after Christmas. Like days after Christmas. Ain't that right? Santa Claus bought him nice gifts, y'all. My baby don't never, none of my kids never want for nothing, but y'all, Santa Claus was very, very good this year. I went all out for my babies because, I mean, that's what a mother's supposed to do. So that's what I did. I didn't get myself anything for Christmas. I got everybody else stuff. Usually I get myself something. But I buy stuff anyway, so I guess you could say I get it all year round anyway. Because I'm always on Amazon shopping. So, I get it anyway. I mean, I went off Amazon at least after at least 5 to 6 times a week. Like, I let me say Amazon girl. Or whoever you are. I love me some Amazon. I shop off Amazon like I work there. I might well work for Amazon. Maybe I get some discount. You know. I've been thinking about it. Yeah, hey man, you want some more? Come on. It kind of got like a spice to it, but he's so greedy he's not gonna stop eating. So, and I think he's tasting it because he stopped chewing. Oh yeah, my baby is 6 months, y'all. And let me tell y'all, they was not lying when they said these pandemic babies is off the chain. Okay, honey, they off the chain. Like, y'all, he sit up already. He was sitting up by himself at like 3-4 months. He got teeth when he was 2 months. He has 2 teeth at the bottom. Chance had his teeth since he was 2 months. I never seen it. Never heard of it. Never. His head, he was already sitting his head up when he got out of the hospital, but really like elevating his head and know how to look and turn and without it wobbling. He was a month old. Like, these babies is doing stuff really fast. Like, and it's not a shocker, but it's like, I'm not used to seeing that. So when my baby did it, I was like, they won't lie about these pandemic babies, because these babies, like, they're real alert. His favorite thing to watch is Coco Melon. He loved himself on Coco Melon. He would sit in front of the TV and be quiet. As long as he have Coco Melon on. He loves some Coco Melon. That's his favorite character right now. What else? You finished? So, yeah, he's singing Daddy. He don't say Mama. He says Daddy as of right now. You finished? So, yeah, he loves saying Daddy. he'll say good. He'll be like, like for good. Like when he's eating like something real good. Like he said in the beginning of the video. I don't know if y'all heard him, but he be like, say say He's not gonna say it wrong on this camera, of course. But yeah, he be saying like if he's eating something real good, he be like and he chew like a grown man. He chew like he got all his teeth in his mouth. Like I never seen it. You see, it's like 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock. That's when he take his nap. And he wake up like, if he go at 11, he'll wake up like 11:40. If he go at 12, he won't wake up to like 1:15. So it depends on how I fix his bottle, like if I put food in it or whatever. Because I don't really put food in his bottle until nighttime because it constipates him. So I can't give it to him all through the day and all of that because it constipates him. So I noticed that when I changed his diapers, I'm like, okay, since I started giving him food, his bowel movement be like a little too hard, but it'll come out like 1, 2, like something like that. But as far as that, y'all, he do a lot. You want some water? He know how to drink out the bottle. You want bottle? Y'all, watch this, baby. Want some more? Uh-oh. But he loves some water, y'all. I make sure my baby has some water because I don't really do the juice because when Mia was a baby, she got like this thing in between her teeth. And I know it came from juice because all she drank was juice, y'all. Juice. That's all her people gave her, juice. So, you know, it's like, I know where it came from. So I don't want to do him like that. So I really don't give him juice. And if I do, it'll be like the baby juice. Because they was giving her like real juice and sodas. And I know that's what messed my baby's teeth up. So Mia has to get her teeth fixed. Okay, she was drinking too many juices and soda when I told them not to. But that's neither here nor there. But it is what it is. Her teeth is bad now, so she had to, it's like a thinning. Her teeth is thinning out. So my baby has to go get that fixed. So yeah. So now I'm trying to focus on his teeth and make sure he don't do the same thing Mills did. Come on. Now he's getting irritated. Oh, you bit me. So yeah. Y'all got a burp from him instead of me. Y'all hear that? I might gotta turn the volume up for y'all to hear it. But yeah, that concludes our video. I did a video with my baby boy. And he did good. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you be notified every time I post a video. Period. I love you guys and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. 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 Ooh, 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 ooh. And he's very ticklish, y'all. Say bye-bye. Y'all, he's a chunky mutt. Look how big my baby is. He's a bit. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You want some food?